Hey guys, in this video, we are going to install this Rove R2 4K dashcam. I'm going to leave a product link in the description below if you're interested. Here we have your user manual, a quick start guide, a registration card, and a customer service card. Comes with your electrostatic film, here's the dash cam itself, nice trim tool, some adhesive mounts, more adhesive, and a windshield mount. This is an adhesive windshield mount. You have a USB cable, and another longer USB cable, USB to USB mini. And you have another camera mount, which is suction cup. And you have your 12-volt cigarette plug adapter. Here we have two air ventilators. It records at 4K Ultra HD, records videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The camera comes with ultra low light Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor with superior night vision technology. Inside is a fast processor with Novatec NT96660. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi. By downloading and using the Rove app, you can view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS or Android devices. Download recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone, then easily share them on social media with your friends and family. This is a built-in speaker for custom voice alerts and guidance. Up on top, you have a built-in GPS, which accurately records your driving location and speed. By using the Rove app, you can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi. This here is your windshield mount latch, and this is your TV out. On the bottom, you have the reset button and your microphone. On the side, you have your power button and your micro SD card slot. The micro SD card supports up to 512 gigabytes. On the other side, you have your mini USB and your HDMI out. On the back side, you have a nice screen. You have your menu button, up, emergency lock, down, and OK buttons, which doubles as mode and back, mute, emergency lock, LCD off, record, and confirm. Here's where I placed the dash cam. This is in a 2019 430i Grand Coupe BMW. I used a suction cup, easy to remove. You have your track, and just go ahead and slide it in. And here's my power source. Go ahead and remove the film. For the power, I went ahead and ran the wire up underneath the headliner. And I went down the pillar and under the glove box. It's all just tucked in easily. In this BMW, we have a cigarette plug just underneath the glove box. Check out my other video for Rove's ultimate 3-lead hardwire kit. Alright, so let's set up the camera. Go ahead and turn it on. Video mode. Alright, now it's asking us to insert the micro SD card. Alright, let's go ahead and format.
Formatting is complete. Video mode.
Now let's start the car.
Video mode.
So we're gonna go ahead and go through the settings.
Video settings.
So we have your resolution. I'm gonna set mine to the highest. Loop recording, I'm gonna set mine to 5. You have a 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. I'm gonna set WDR on. Exposure, you can adjust your exposure. Let's leave that at 0. Time-lapse record, I'm gonna leave that off for now. Parking mode. So I do have it hardwired. I'll go ahead and show you the hardwire on a separate video. Let's go ahead and turn that on. 24-hour parking mode. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on time-lapse. Let's turn that on. Record audio. Let's leave that on. Timestamp. Let's do date and time, speed, and GPS coordinates. And we'll leave the logo. Go ahead and go back. G sensor. I'll leave it at medium. You have up to 9, 0 meaning off, 9 being the highest. Speed unit, we'll do miles per hour. Hide icon status, we'll leave that off. Live speed, leave that on. Distortion correction, let's go ahead and leave that off. Alright, so that's for your video menu. Let's go to settings. Alright, so you have a Wi-Fi option. You can set your date and time. We have format. Month, day, and year is what I prefer. Clock format, we'll do a 12-hour. And this is how I set the time. Go back. Screensaver. We'll leave it on. We'll leave it on for now. Beep sound, we'll leave that on.
Mute off.
Speaker volume, medium sounds about right. Boot up tone, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. Language, we'll keep it at English. TV mode, we'll do NTSC, and you have the option to plug in your license plate. I'm gonna go ahead and skip that for now. Frequency, we'll leave it at 60 Hertz. GPS info shows how many satellites we are locked into. Storage space. And delaying shutdown, I will leave it at 5 seconds. Format reminder, we'll leave that off. And you can manually format everything. Default setting and your firmware. So let's see, default setting and your firmware.
Video mode.
Alright, so let's download the app. So we install the Rove app. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open that up. Now we follow the instructions. So we go through your dash cam.
Video settings.
We're gonna go ahead and go to
System
the
settings.
Wi-Fi and turn that on.
Wi-Fi mode is on. Video mode.
Okay. Now we're gonna turn on the Wi-Fi on our phone. And we're gonna go ahead and connect right there. Okay. Alright, and there's your live view. You can go to settings. You can actually change the settings of your camera in here. Same menu as on the dash cam. That's the one I just downloaded. And you can share that footage however you want. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.